In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 4133e printer. To replace the ink cartridges, switch on the printer. Now open the front door. Also open the ink cartridge chamber door. So that is here. So you have to push it like this. Now wait for the ink cartridges to come and move. So once the ink cartridge is here, press the ink cartridge down and take it out. So press it down and take it out. Now take the new ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So this is the HP Ink 67. Make sure you also remove the orange seal. Now place the color ink cartridge on the color side and the black ink cartridge on the black side. Close the door. Thanks for watching.